This question asks us to identify the more stable base in this pair. To do that, we need to know something about their conjugate acids. The conjugate acid of Cl- is HCl, and the conjugate acid of water, H2O, is hydronium ion, H3O+. From here, I need to know their pKa values. pKa value of HCl is -7. pKa value of the hydronium ion is -1.7. From here, I can tell a few things about the acid. With a lower pKa value, HCl is the stronger acid of these two, and the hydronium ion is the weaker acid of these two. That's all great, but how does that help me figure out the stability of these conjugate bases? Well, if HCl is the stronger acid, that means Cl- is the weaker base. And if hydronium ion is the weaker acid of these two, that means water is the stronger base of these two. Stability, then, for these conjugate bases. The weaker base will be the more stable conjugate base.